yourself a way. Which color will suit you? Babe.
Oh. Let's just wait for the boat. Why are you blabbing?
No, I'm...
Hey.
Babe. Babe. Why?
Hey, keep quiet.
There is something there.
Why you want to poke your fingers in my nose?
I'm just helping you.
Don't help me. I don't need your help.
Babe, look at something. Do you like it?
If I slap you, I think your mind will touch ground. Nothing.
Ow! Why do you always behave like this? Don't you know we are in public?
Don't you also know we are in public?
I'm just showing you something.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, why are you calling me?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay.
Hi, it's Nana Coffee.
Okay, of course you're here.
You're such a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Can you please be the honest to put your number on?
Oh, come on. You're with a lady and then you just saw me and you're asking for my number.
Baby,
that's not fair.
Baby, this is my sister. You're just waiting for a boat.
Your sister?
Yes, please. I'm just taking you to campus.
Anyways, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, hello.
Okay. Can you?
You said you're Nana
Coffee.
Nana Coffee. Okay. So that's my number.
Please, the name again.
Akusia.
I'll call you.
Sure. Take care.
Take care too.
Bye.
Wow.
Babe, what was that?
What was what?
You introduced me to that lady as a sister.
Yes, please. You are my sister.
Since when? Am I your sister? Nana, why are you behaving like this?
Why can't you mind your own business?
You're telling me to mind my business.
So when I'm shouting, you're shouting at me.
No, I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting, but what you are doing is unfair.
It's unfair.
Yes.
Shut up. I'm
Babe.
the man here.
So if you are the man and babe, I'm talking to you.
Portia, do yourself a favor not to call my number again.
Sorry, I'm George, please.
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Like, seriously, I'm George. I have a boyfriend. Like, seriously, very funny. Bad man is just introduction, like, I have... Okay. Hey, super. I'm there.
Hey, what did they worry you?
Bro.
Oh!
some nap BOA make my head bash me. I swear.
Really?
Yeah, I just have some nap be like that. Usually, like if you sleep with no shit, that sleep go. Now you check like your body they feel like they feel dizzy be like that.
You know what? I don't have time for this, okay? Let's go. We are in a hurry, bro. Let's
Bro,
go, let's
wait,
go.
wait, bro, you say, bro.
Wow, what's up? What's bothering you?
Very funny and very interesting.
Talk to me.
A lot of mercy. Super. I don't know even how like I go start the whole shit, man.
You be mad, bro. Just me. What's the problem, bro? What's that?
Bro, I swear, the finest girl I've ever set my eyes on. Super. Make you no laugh, I swear. See, me, it's like me, I be womanizer. Where I know what I talk of, you understand? If I talk say like this girl, he fine, make you no doubt, make you no laugh, make you no mock say. I swear the girl fine.
You still not talking. What's the problem?
Bro, the girl fine, See, I crashed on this girl, I met this girl way, I don't know if she was in a hurry or what. Chama, be the like you crashing away in backfill. As in backfill no way as make her take give am no. Where I say now I for be manners like I for be see that like make her introduce I introduce myself no where the girl talk say he game man no. See, like some stupidity like that to see. But then you crash where all of a sudden like don't pick your bag give you where you say now where you pick your own thing. As you pick your own thing no whereas now I for be gentleman so make her intro. When I mention my name give am no they tell me say I was like seriously how the girl find her? Hey, she be my everything since that day. I've been thinking like I've been dreaming of her. Bro.
Listen. Bro, the girl said she's having a boyfriend, okay?
Yeah.
Just forget about her. You fine, bro. You fine. There are a lot of girls around. You go get one. If she's saying she has a boyfriend, just leave him. You don't go get.
Bro.
Leave him, bro.
Bro, me I get time for my you know me. You know me today. Everybody they call me the Okumasi. I forget the real name. George, they might be my real name, but for the streets, say if the Okumasi they call me. When it comes to like you might matter. I mean, you know. Yeah, man.
But listen. The girl talk you see, she get boy. Okay. She get boy, so you for leave him. You go find one. What's your problem?
Bro, me one thing my life inside there, I don't like to say, girly woman, you go defeat him like you go turn me down. What she do, it be sign of disrespect to me for day. Well, like at least common intro. Bro, trust me, let's bet. Me I go win this girl no matter what.
You go win her.
I swear. Where's the means with me? I go take with me. I go lay her in my bed. I go do. What?
You don't know this vicinity, eh? You don't know. I need to talk to you. You don't know what they happen for here, bro.
It be like this. It be small. It be something small. Give me, bro. It be time. Me I get time for sure this. Why I forgot the name? The whole Kumasi. I own the street. Me I be the street king. You know say something.
You know go get.
Is it what I know go get?
You know go get. You know go get. Forget.
Funny. Like seriously. Super. You say no go. I want to do it. I no go get.
If the girl talks say she get bored, forget her. Of course.
So right now, no, like the challenge.
I challenge you.
Sure.
I challenge you. You know go get. Let's forget.
Wait. You challenge me right?
I challenge you.
You say I no go do what?
You know go get.
If be this particular place, you can't tap where we do that. How do you call it? Like this challenge and everything, man. Trust me again. Bring your hand again. I say I'm winning.
Okay.
I'm not a loser, man.
You are not winning.
Right.
All right.
Take the lead.
Let's go. Bro, you know go get. Hey, let's go.
Okay. Hello, beautiful. Hello, excuse me, please. Hello. Good afternoon. Now, please, you. Good afternoon. Do you remember me? I'm George. The guy crashed on you the other time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Sure. You didn't even tell me your name the other time.
So, your problem?
Oh, come on, like, no, I just want to, know your name and, get your contact. I just want to find you.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I'm late.
You know?
I'm late. Let's go.
I'm just sorry for you. Like, yeah, but you both is already tested.
Oh, okay.
Very okay.
When I asked you, you said, like, you're okay. I asked you, are you okay? You said, yeah.
You are very sorry.
So,
okay. Calm down, okay? Yeah, sorry, okay.
All right, okay. Hello, please, the dark girl, please. Yeah. Please say your name.
I'm Lizzie.
Oh, nice. Okay, Lizzie, nice meeting you. I'm Ken George.
Okay, nice pleasure.
You know something like I just admire your sister. I just like her for no reason. Yeah. I crashed on her the other time and then she was rude to me. I just seek, for her number, like knowing her name, but she was very rude and I was like, oh, okay.
Sorry about that, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry
are you coming or not?
Sweetheart, I'm coming. Wait. A minute, okay? We are in a hurry, so if you would talk fast.
All right, okay. If you don't mind, can I get your contact because like there's a saying, like there's a proverb that say who cast him change and you talk through the air or something like that. You feel me? Yeah. So like, if you don't mind, can I get your contact so that like I'll be calling you so that I can check up on her.
Okay, then.
Whoa. I just left my phone in the house. Please, can I give you my phone so that you can give me a
I
phone?
didn't take my phone. It's on low bat, so I left it on charge. Yeah.
Whew.
I think
What a mess.
Sweetheart, please wait.
What a
Okay, wait
missed
for me a
opportunity.
minute, okay? Oh.
You something like you let's make some other time, okay? Your name again, please.
I'm Lizzie.
Lizzie, okay.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah. Pleasure. First step. We move on to the second step. Manga to the yeah? You ain't giving up. I'll be leading. Whew.
Hey, dog. You have a call there.
Bye,
Bye. Like the way they come, I see you like you boss.
No. I bought because of the girl.
Yeah, I send you, make you go call my girl for me.
Yeah,
why you talking?
That's why I'm poor, because what she was talking is unbelievable. I mean, she told me, oh, can you imagine this girl told me that the sun is too scotchy, so she won't come.
My own girlfriend.
I told you.
My own girl, where I send you to go call her for me.
I tell you, she said because of the sun, so she won't come.
Man, don't play this game. Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Wait, make her call her and see.
Call who?
I will call my girlfriend. You make her call her.
Why are you calling her?
But I send you. I said make you go call my girl for me.
And she
but
said she won't come.
You can't talk me say like she no go free come.
So if she no go free come, what is the calling is going to do?
You just hold on. Let me call you. She don't pick the call.
I said.
Let me try another one. I wonder
It's okay, just once.
No, let me try.
Just call her just once. Because she will think. I want to leave. She not pick.
She not still.
I told you. I've already told you that she said she won't come. Look, the way she was talking to me, Grandma, it was annoyable. Because she's standing there talking to me anyhow she likes. Like the sun is too short. And I'm saying, mommy, me, I'm in Namuba.
Are you for sure? You don't talk in the harsh way. Me and my grandpa they talk in the harsh
If
way.
not the harsh way, star way. He talk me in the star way and the same time harsh way.
This girl. What is wrong with this
I
girl?
don't know what is happening.
You know what? I trust you.
Yeah.
I trust you. I trust you. But I know you are. I go bail him later.
Okay.
I go talk him. Well.
Okay.
When I send away, you go feel tell you say you know go feel calm with it. Like
if you go, don't tell her anything about me.
Why wouldn't I?
Don't mention it because she has done it already, and I have forgiven her already.
No. But yes, still I have to talk him.
No.
Should I have to talk in the harsh way?
No. It's my own fault that going to her place in a scrawny sign.
No
so
problem.
No.
Let me give you something.
I was about to say it, but
Let me
you know
give you
it.
something.
This time I run blue.
But you want red?
No problem. I like it.
Man, I go stop you.
Anyone.
I go stop.
I like it, man. Even it's red one wants to cry. I like it.
For relax for me. Okay, I want to give you something because of I sent you.
Yeah.
But they want.
Necessary.
If you want brown, go for brown.
No, the Christian is because the new ones is. I want the new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Take this one.
11. How much will be 11?
I said take this one.
I see this 11.
So.
And that's why I'm 11 something. We of 5 CD. It's 11. It will be like 11 will be like 50 CD and 5 CD.
But
don't worry.
If you don't worry,
I like it, man.
Why they do this?
A poor man with a harsh heart. When you
take my money from you, no shit.
That's how
I won't take this one, give them back. The way they do, no, like I go chop my money back.
No, don't chop your money. Give it to
you.
Her.
Next time, next time, better life.
Thank you, bro. It will take a fat. So my man come home the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me go to the fufu joint.
I said it. I knew it was going to happen. Yeah.
Yo. Why did you laugh?
Pablo Escobar.
Why? You guys have money, Diana.
Pablo, look, I tell you something. This life, you forget Vim. See, everything way they do, Pablo attached Vim to it. I swear, it go happen. I mean that with the way I talk, you say, I see some sure they be. Way they give me attitude, like they flex me and stuff. Like he always rude. When I tell you say like it be steps, be process. Me I go procedure, me I go process some. Pablo, you know say the shoddy me that know be today. With the click with the vibe, ask me to talk right now, bro.
No, wait. So you want to try tell me the like has he accepted?
Chawan, Pablo, make us out want to.
Come for that! You didn't have the key.
Listen, I'm not done yet though. As I come out my eye, know how I feel, now I bet maybe for doing inside though. Where I turn up, no, where I open my eye now and say, hey, we do. I say, hey, but then it will surely happen. So maybe like if for doing inside though, hey, we don't get with this smooch. She did like she did my body inside where we feel like when I'm body. Charlie, Pablo, I saw this life everything they do behind there. If I add them to it, man them, it go sauce. Hi. They should fine, I swear. Hey, in complexion, like how much the body is. Hey, Pablo, I swear. Hey, this girl here, I said it.
All for dreaming inside.
All for dreaming inside, bro. Pablo, all for dreaming inside. Hey.
Do you know, say, your case will be a foolish far. You are far foolish.
Say, you don't fall in love before.
Huh?
You don't know.
You fool dread.
Say.
So all the things where they taught me, it be dream.
Every dream matter they talk you.
This boy fool.
Say, oh Pablo, why you don't be against it?
No, I think say the guy accepted you has accepted you and you are.
Nah. If you dream matter they talk. Hey, I imagine right now with the how now with deep and now with the smooth now. Hey, I feel, bro. I feel, bro.
You know what? Let me tell you something. You see the last time what I told you.
Yeah.
There's no way that fine girl. There's no way.
Say
you go get her.
What but damn you mother? Hey,
huh?
Me, nah, listen, nah, bro, nah, this one be joke. Hey, man,
hold my cap.
Hold
my cap, make
nah, listen, bro.
Hold my cap, make her laugh small.
Hey Pablo, I don't be kidding give you. Hey, you go be steady. Hey Pablo, hey. Make no fool, I swear. See. Me if you be person you don't get him like if you don't get that I can do spirit heart, make you not follow me, I swear. Why he be just Ludumas? Why he be not the body or to DK?
Look,
I say I go win them. And the times the gospel truth if you can say what?
Anytime
they dance for the dreams and way me down there. I saw it go happen live. Even the Bible they say like everything they see for the dream inside no. Surely they come. See stupidity. See stupidity. You are saying I said say like
you know what it be dream. Forget it. How many people now could be and they are also bro, forget them.
Pablo, make I tell you, see, me, I no be loser. I swear. In my lifetime, I no be loser. I no lose before. And I'm not say, what to do no, I will give up. Me, I no give up before for life. I make I tell you, hey, your mother, hey, Pablo. Me, if you know say like this way, you go do give me then you go do you see me a pass. Mr. Chelsea say, yeah, you too.
Hey,
boy,
this boy fool.
The girl has suicide go win them for sure. Trust me, believe it, man. Got yeah.
What about that now? Say, oh, lacha, say, dream. What's me with deep banku to me to buy a quad in gym? Hey!
Sir, the showman no more. Now we were feeling how Nina. Made our sister watch me walk over. Shadia would I am me. I never talk to love with this way. But you surprise me. You love me in a special type of way. But money, dear, when you're who can you? Many we mean such a way. Every day. I saw sorry, yes,
Oh, jeez. Hey.
We are drama, you.
Baby, I'm in the mood.
You're in the mood.
Can we go home?
The sun is too scorched.
Oh, really? That for 2 days, weather for 2.
This weather is not good, though. It's not good. It's not good to do it.
My tornado, don't do that. Let me shift you home. We take you to my land of pleasure.
You do me, Lomo.
What do you do me, Loma?
Will you do it?
I'll do it. Maybe. Just go. Baby, I'm on heat.
Promise.
Baby, I'm on heat. See,
I'm saying, will you do Lomo? Promise. You do it. Okay, then let's go.
Let me put you back.
Let's go. My slippers. I can't. Then let's go.
It's too heavy.
So
Why?
What do you have to?
Why are you asking me what am I up to? You told me to come.
I asked you to come in
Of
this
course,
scorching sun.
You know I have to take the money. So since you asked me to come, I'm here.
Wow. I sent some guy to you. That's
Some guy.
to come and call you, and you told him you can't come. I mean, you can't pass through the scorching sun and then come to me. And he came to tell me.
You sent Koshiego to come to me.
Yeah, and you
When
sacked
was
him
this?
away that the sun is too scorching, so he can't come over.
Me, Akusia.
Yes, of course.
It's been 3 weeks I set my eyes on Koshiego. So what are you talking about? I've not even seen him.
You haven't seen him.
Of course. What from all these stories?
You don't know what you are doing.
Are you giving me the money to go and work or not? Like, I don't get you.
Once you want the money, you have passed through this sun, coming for the money. Yeah? Let me tell you, I don't do my things like that, okay? It's over. It's okay.
It's what?
Yeah, it's over.
It's over.
Yes, of course.
Just like that.
Yes.
Ah.
It's over. So maybe some other time, okay?
Really? What's wrong with this guy? Like, is this serious? Over. And what's with this Koshiego guy? Like me. I've not even set eyes on him.
If you go spoil, no go spoil. You dey inside. My God. If I no die today, I no go die again.
Doctor! Hey, excuse me.
Huh?
Doctor, what's wrong with you? Why did you go and tell my boyfriend? What's the meaning of that? When was the last time you actually came to my house to call me?
Me?
You're asking me?
What are you talking about?
My friend, I'm not joking with you. I hate what you're doing. What are you? You're trying to set confusion between me and my guy and myself, right?
When?
What did you go and tell my boyfriend? He actually sent you to come and call me, and you went to lie that I'm saying the sun is too scorchy and I can't step out. I have not said nothing. I haven't even seen you.
This madam me.
Doctor, excuse me, please. Please be very careful with me. I hate the way you lie about me.
Me? I swear to God, he hasn't sent me anywhere.
Doctor,
I tell you, my dear, how can I do that to you?
Hey!
Huh? How can I do that to you? Even it's past a month, I haven't stepped my eyes on him. How is he going to send me? Eh? Like the way I'm in good terms with you. How can I do that? Oh,
Doctor,
in this
I'm
world,
sure what you are saying.
in this world, trust no one. Trust no one in this.
Wait, okay.
In this
If that be the case, just hold on. I'm going to call my boyfriend right
it's
now.
no need. It's
not what?
It's no need.
No, I have to call him because he's very angry with me. And I've not done nothing to him.
I'm a Christian. Let's forget everything. I'm a Christian. So
You are a Christian? No,
yes,
please hold
no
on.
need for you to
See,
for anything because
he is
it has
my
happened
boy.
already. It has happened already. It has happened already. I don't want to talk about anything.
So you are why are you crying? You are sharing tears.
Madam, how can I
No,
do
doctor,
that?
just hold on. Because my boyfriend is actually angry with me and I don't just understand this whole thing. I'm going to call him.
No,
Then we find out the truth. Just hold on. Let me call him. You hold
For
on.
you to we just hang it up. It's not need for you to call anyone because it hold me. I've been to Johannesburg, South Africa for the past 2 years. Look at me. Just look at me.
I have to still call him. You hold on.
I just returned.
You hold on. Let me call him.
I have to. Then I have to. Do something.
What's wrong with this number busy?
Call him. You have to call him because I don't like that.
No, I have to call because the way he was just screaming at me, shouting, and I was rude towards him. I didn't come when he sent you to come and call me. A whole lot of rubbish. Like, no. Let me see if he's going to pick up my call. Oh God. The number is not going through.
I said so. That's why I was.
Koshe. Doctor. Anyway, it's okay. If you've not said anything to my guy, that's fine. I think I'll just go to his house and then talk to him. Thank you very much. I have to go.
You're welcome. You're welcome. God.
Osha, who's that fucking guy?
Babe, it's not a guy, it's my sister.
So why are you not picking up the call?
She will ask me of money. I'm not having money. That's why I'm not picking up.
Osha, you are not doing what?
Babe.
Osha,
Hey, my guy, make you no fool for that. Who taught you that? Who does that? Are you fool, man? What? Like you also for the street talk? Why not against that? Are you okay? No, you fool, eh? You fool, I can't wait for you. You utter word right now. I go chop my money right now. See ya. If you say why? Chill, bro. Chill. You say be gangster. You can't say be gangster. Gangster with the meet you, man. You fool, eh? You fool, eh? You say be gangster. Move for here. I go sound you right now. Swear. You fool for here right now. Hey. Your mother, because you ain't doing that. Make no joke plus me, I swear. Yo, woman, are you okay? I beg, my guy, you chill. You leave me, you chill. You leave me. Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Hey, sure.
Hey. Oh, babe.
Hey, you yo. This guy, your mother was
Nana.
Stand there for me, and I can stand there. But my guy,
Hey.
What's wrong with me, huh? You have been a street kid, you know me, bro. Arrested.
It's okay.
Chill, man.
It's okay.
This afternoon, I saw when you're free, when you're to fall, boy. Chill.
I said it's okay.
Are you hurt?
I'm fine. I said it's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Nana.
Where exactly? Is it the left or right? The right leg?
Thank you. Nana.
Yo! Charlie, you for chill! See!
Alright, this guy, if you guys say one. Alright, this one is like, alright.
Lizzie. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Please hurry up. Yeah. Yes, in front of the black gate. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Thank you.
What is it? Why this came on phone like that? What is it? What is it? What happened?
Forget about my leg.
What happened is you forget about my leg. What's going on?
Lizzie, I'm here to ask that you escort me to Nana's house so that I go and apologize to him. When we were coming, my little sister was calling me and I wasn't picking. He got angry and he pushed me.
He pushed you?
Yes, and some two guys rushed him and insulted him. So he left.
Left.
I've been calling him. He's not picking up my calls. So you know, Nana, he's angry.
Okay.
So I want you to escort me so that
you
I
can
apologize.
Okay. Oh, that's a good idea.
Thank you.
That's stupid. I should escort you to somebody who wanted to hurt you, like not wanted to. Somebody who has hurt you already.
No.
Like me, no.
It wasn't intentional. He just pushed me.
Hey, don't push me. Oh, I'm not going. Okay.
Oh, Lizzie,
hey,
you are only
but like,
my friend.
Hey, I didn't know this was the reason you called me. I wouldn't have stopped what I'm doing to come here. Hey, are you okay?
So
like, do you think?
Go.
Do you reason? Do you reason? Ah, hey, why you pa? Fine girl, like you let this stupid boy. No,
it's not stupid.
Hey, you let this stupid boy maltreat you like this. A whole you. Hey,
have you checked Nana well? Have you?
Apostle the say. Please,
Lizzie, don't.
Please, don't what? Okay, tell me. Start all over.
I don't want to lose Nana.
You don't want? Oh, no birds. Oh,
so please.
Stop it, girl.
Oh, Lizzie, please.
If you,
Lizzie, please.
Don't ever call my phone when it concerns that stupid boy, Nana. Don't ever call my phone when it concerns him. If it's you, I'll come. I'll render any help, anything. I'll go, like, I'll get to the extreme for you. But when it gets to that boy,
but it's my
somebody who doesn't even take care of him, somebody you have been taking care of him, and then
who said so? Do you know?
Are you not my friend? Don't I know everything? Take your phone. You are check your phone. Your Momo messages. Go and check. You've been sending money to this boy every now and then. You want me escort you, Lizzie, escort you, Portia, to apologize to.
So you
afrakoma.
Lizzie.
Okay.
Lizzie. Nana, you too. Pick up. Pick up. Let me talk to you. Liz. Now, what should I do? Lizzie, come on now. You are my last hope.
You what's up? Your man too. You know, come on. Make it tell you know, come on. See, you knock 244. You what's up? Huh? You make one day yet. Oh my country.
Chill. You go come. Oh.
You Pablo, make I tell you something. See, me than you were with the galley. You be my own. Me than you were with the galley with the room and stuff. You understand? So if something come where they do with the back me, I'm a guy. Then like step back. Make you follow me. Make I tell you the reality, man. You my friend where we go where somebody they mess up. This is what generation, this era. When man was like the beat woman. Where the old discipline man can't wait. Hey, who taught you that, man? That be you. Like you know they do and so. No, so they do for the street up. Hey. So assuming like if you be a store, you can go allow some make beat up.
Yo. Listen. That day, the incident that happened, you don't know if that guy they be family. How would you know?
Just listen. So them family, it makes sense for you. Them family. So make it kill them or what? Make it kill them. Not be so stupidity. They be family. So family means make it, like if I kill them. So police come over to you that run the way kill them. You won't forget problem, right? You won't forget case.
Hey, Charlie, chill. I don't even know why you are angry.
Say family.
No, why are you angry? You say you are
angry. Did about between us and say family.
So you are angry because I stopped you from beating that guy. What is wrong with you? What they worry you? So you are angry just because I stopped you from beating that guy?
Yeah, for verse, if my boy, when they in the galley, if my boy, me then this.
Yo.
So something like if you catch somebody, cover me.
There are some things I won't stay your back. There are some things I won't back you.
You for back me, man.
Why should I back you?
If say like I go mess up there, that won't be different. But the thing what they do, it be right thing what they do. So if you give me against the back end.
There are some things you should chill. There are some things you should cool down. Okay, always like you get angry over little things. Like you get angry.
You call this a little thing, man?
So right now you are angry, so you won't beat me.
Oh nah, no, so like
no, so like you won't beat me or what?
Why my boy? Like how will we fight you? But like I don't make you know say see. Make you no vex. Make you no get me pleased. I tell you reality, but I tell you the truth.
No, so what you go do? So you go beat me? I shouldn't get you pissed. So you go beat me?
Pablo, calm down.
I understand all the thing where you're talking. I don't understand. So you go beat me?
Raise your voice or no? Raise your voice.
Oh, Charlie.
You my body be why? Pablo, if you happy me the one-on-one like in any 2 minutes, you know me. I like the street my me. I be the street himself.
Listen.
I talk to you where like I calm down or like I lower my voice. But you rise here. Yeah. Pablo,
what you are doing is not fair. Ultimately, 50 people could be just like that.
And not be bro somewhere they go be somebody just like that too. And I tell you say, what's the guy that guy they do now? They mess up. With my own, so I didn't want to papa. Before talk like you, information like you go put things at the right places. And year between year.
Ebiana niaba no. Ebiana girl ne na dey no.
That the way they talk really make sense. That the way.
No. At least listen. If you get sense, you would have asked what happened. You would have asked the guy what the problem is.
I for there. Make the guy kill him before. I for there. Where the guy kill him before say I will go ask say Charlie, wait till they go on.
Listen. You can't see you have.
You make interest. You listen. You make interest. I see say certain things like this like you go back me. Me to offer me one really.
Listen.
Call your guy, man. If you come at me, I will come. Keep.
Forget this. Forget about Sayani man. What I say? What am my friend?
You probably you somebody when they in the galley you they stroll there everything like they walk the stuff. You like you know if you give me gangster back. Hey, who taught you that, man? You for cover me everywhere. You don't want me to cover you.
Yo boy. Yo. Charlie, why you
do? Come and tell me how to go. You what's up?
Charlie, we are still standing here. What's up? Oh, you come. All right. Okay, I got you, bro. All right.
You know, so no, it's also they call you, they come, you know, they can't. What's accept to say, oh, Banti.
Charlie, also, I like beyond. So they already also feel so baby fee.
So when people say, oh, my agency, I know, he what's up.
So anything you go talk. Also, I see young.
I make why so the person.
So what you best about this?
See, Ghana.
Come on for there.
See, mon penekure. You the person knows like you know can now. So simple, Muko fi me bana baby. When you make like you make spend my time for here. I talk to her, he said, "Hey Pablo, I don't be a boy as well. Be full eh." Hello, beautiful. I mean, this place. I beg, give me 1 minute of your time, I beg. Beautiful. Hey. Hello. Good afternoon. I beg everything nice.
I'm fine.
Oh, please, can I get some minute of your time? If you don't mind. I'm talking to you, please. Can we sit down for a while?
Babe, I'm busy.
Oh, okay. There is this thing like that's been chewing me for for some past days now, and then I think today is the right time for me to split it out.
What is it?
You know something like I will kindly love you to know your name first, please.
I'm Portia.
Portia, oh nice, Portia. I'm also George. Can I get a handshake? All right, no problem. Portia. There is this thing like that.
George. How many times should I make myself clear? I said I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend.
No, I'm not done yet, please. I said 5 minutes of your time. You're not even done with 1 minute yet. Please, the whole truth is, I really like you. You feel me?
And I said I have a boyfriend. So yes, you've met me. Hello, beautiful. What's your name? I'm George, and blah blah blah. All that will end is I love you. I want to be with you. Sure. Can you be my girlfriend? I'm telling you, I have a boyfriend. So
come down, please. It seems like no, wait, please.
Clear off.
Please wait. Portia. Okay, Portia. Okay, see, let's be friends. I promise, let's be friends. I mean it. Okay. Yeah, friends will do.
Are you serious?
For sure, yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm damn serious.
How can I be your friend?
Very simple.
Very simple.
Yes, of course.
You can look at me and introduce me to others that this is my friend.
Why not? We even like we even have besties like who are mostly beautiful like
My boyfriend is my bestie. He is my brother. He is my everything. So I'm okay with him.
Fine. I'm not talking about bestie over here. I'm just talking about just me and friendship like
I don't do friends with male.
Please.
Hey.
Portia, please.
Hey.
Portia,
and
please.
let today be the last time you talk something like this conversation with me. Do you hear?
But I want you to do me a favor right now.
Which favor?
Can I get your contact, please? You just a contact, please.
Are you serious? For what?
I said let's be friends. Trust
And
me.
I said it won't be possible. So my number for what?
But friends is normal. Like I'm not proposing again.
It's normal to you, but it's not normal for me. Thank you.
Portia. Step 2 leading to possible work. Step 3, watch out, you're coming. Believe it.
This is all you know. This is what you know what to do. This is how you treat ladies. This is you. Obroni, Winnie. This is you. Hey! Nana Kofi.
Do you know him? Do you know her very well?
Nana
Do you
Kofi.
know her from anywhere?
Hello. Excuse me. Who is it to you?
Oh, that's my junior brother.
Oh, please. Spare me that. He has been like introducing his girlfriend to other girls than
Wow.
the other, like she's her sister.
Auntie,
And who is Auntie?
she's my sister.
She's whose sister? I don't believe you, please. Who's your sister? Hey, that's what you've been doing. I know you. Even Portia told me about it. I did the same thing to her. So,
You can't just come into people conversation just to, Why? Why are you doing that?
hello.
You have to ask
Ask.
before anything.
Oh, okay. You want me to ask you? Do you know what he has been doing?
What has
You
he
know
been
who
doing?
he is.
That's my junior brother, and
That's
I know
your junior
him
brother.
very well,
You
even more
know
than you.
him very well. I'm not sure you know him. And I don't
Oh my
even
God.
believe you people. I don't even believe you people.
What's going on?
Go ahead.
Is that what you've been doing on campus?
No, I'm not doing anything.
Hey!
Why is
Are you lying? Are you lying?
I'm not lying.
Oh God.
I said
You know
she's
your
my sister.
Please stop saying that. You did the same thing to Portia, so oh yes, I now believe it. I now believe what Portia said. Yes, I believe Portia now.
Can we just go? Leave this rich.
Hello. You're calling me a witch.
No, you're not a rich. You're a
It's
rich.
you.
Because what you're even
It's
doing,
you. It's you and your
shows
girlfriend.
everything.
It's you. Both of you.
What shows
Wait,
is my boyfriend?
wait. No, do I even need you people to explain anything to me?
Oh my
So what's
God.
your problem here?
What's my problem?
Yes.
I don't need you
I don't
you
know why people
to
just
explain
pop into
anything to me. I don't need you.
people.
Sister, let's go.
Who is
My
sister?
friend, don't touch me.
My dear,
Don't
let's
touch me.
go. Let's go.
Sister, let's go.
Oh, like
Is that what you've
seriously?
been doing?
Don't worry. He will do the same thing to you. Don't worry. Okay. Wait and experience it. Nana Kofi,
Hey, don't follow me.
I'm following you. Is the route for you? Is the route for you?
Pass it.
You can't show me where to pass. This one
This is the kind
pass.
of people you've been mingling with, right?
This one pass.
She's a devil.
You are a devil. Devil incarnate is you.
Why are you following?
It's the route for you.
Let's use this route.
Bro,
I even want to go and buy something down there.
Madam, what's your problem?
He will do the same thing to you. If you don't know,
That's my little brother.
that's your little brother. And so that's what he has been doing.
Oh my God.
That's what he told my sister. He told my friend who turned to be a sister. And he introduced a girlfriend to another girl.
So is that a concern?
Oh yes.
Please, let's go.
Don't go, Kofi, don't go. Nana Kofi, don't go.
What's your
Don't go, Nana Kofi. Don't go. Share. You think I'll let you go like that? What would you do?
Stop.
If I don't want to do,
Okay.
what do you want to do? Tell me.
Let's go home.
Oh. What do you want to do? Tell me what you do. Yes.
So that's the kind of people that are your friends.
I don't get this lady.
No, I think your girlfriend cries also mad because
No.
if this is her friend, I don't know. Let's go.
Hello. Nana Kofi. Kill me. Nana Kofi, kill
Let's
me.
go.
Hey,
What's your
I don't want to
Nana
touch
Kofi,
you.
Kumi.
Go.
Nana Kofi, I'll tell Portia. I'm going to tell Portia about Nana Kofi. I'm going to tell Portia.
Why do you have to even mind her? Let's go. I said she's mad. Let's go.
What's wrong with you?
Something is wrong with her.
I'm sick.
Do you have to ask? Can't you see?
So why are you following me?
You know why? You know why I'm not minding you? I'm not minding you because I didn't come your camp.
You can't even
I
come
came
my
his
camp.
camp.
You can never. Oh my God. Nana. Oh, why? Just look at me. Oh my God. This my brother killed me.
Yeah. No, I don't need two, only one. Do you know, Portia is not around. Yeah, she's not around, so only me. Oh, she's very fine. She's very fine. To be honest, she's very fine. Yeah. Me a day, she to the day. Oh, okay. Oh, that's fine. And then I'll join you guys very soon. Oh, yeah. You don't worry. Eh? Right now, I'm around our hood. Oh, yes. Okay. No problem. Your wish is my command, boy. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Thank you. We shall meet. Okay. Bye. Sorry. What's it?
So you didn't see me or didn't realize somebody was tapping me.
Oh, forget about me. My bad.
You're bad.
What's it?
Never mind. So let me ask you this. The way you are treating Portia, if somebody treats your sister like that, would you be happy?
I'm listening to you.
Would you be happy? The way you are treating Portia, the way you are putting Portia through stress, the way you are maltreating somebody's fine girl. If somebody should treat you like that, you like that, would you be happy? Somebody who clothes you, who feeds you, who pays your bills, who gets everything you need for you, you treat her like trash. In fact, are you okay?
Look.
Is everything okay?
Who is Portia to you?
Portia is a friend of mine.
And you are blabbing.
Oh yes.
Even your mother no have a say in this thing.
That is stupidness. You can't say her mother. If her mother doesn't want to talk about it, she's my friend. And she's like a sister to me. So I've got every right to talk about it.
Every right?
Yes.
Not in my face.
Oh, like seriously?
I can't stand here and watch you rub this nonsense to me.
Well,
There you lay. Make a day, my lay. That's why I don't like you.
who is this? Who is this? I hear. You don't like me. I hear. I hate you. Hey, me from one day in a town. Me chill. Me from one day in a town. Me chill. So who said you see treat a girl? No? If somebody should treat your sister like that, would you be happy?
My friend.
Hey.
Watch that finger.
Hey.
Watch that finger. If that finger touches me,
What would you
I
do?
will take you to the grave.
Send me to my grave. Send me to my early grave.
Hey.
I want you. Send me to my early grave.
I finally met that rich.
Yes, I am. Hello. Hey, boy, we mwade. Who treat you be baba like in fact, I have to find a way to break this relationship up. This is nonsense.
Alpha,
Yeah.
where's your friend?
Why they ask me about my friend?
Abi, you know me.
I don't know you. Who are you?
How stupid that did you guys portray the other time we met?
I said I don't know you. Who are you? What are you talking
Hey,
about?
shut up. Be careful. Or else, you people, I'll show you people Pepe. Eh? You understand?
Are you warning me?
Yes, I'm warning you. What am I doing?
You are warning me.
Yes.
You know what? I don't know you, and I've never talked to you before, and I will never talk to you because you're not my class.
Huh?
But listen, you should have even thanked me. Yeah, you should have even thanked me for helping you. If not, that guy would have beaten you mercilessly because that guy is crazy.
Huh? Look at this guy. I'm trying to show him mercy. Me not to beat you here. No, you are showing me what?
Uh-huh. You know what? I said you should have thanked me because that guy is crazy. Okay, so asking me about my friend, what will you do? Are you going to beat him or what are you going to
It's
do?
okay, shut up. You guys should day your lane. Make a day my lane. Or else you see the devil inside me. Eh? Trust me, eh? One time.
No. Did he? No. Was he talking to me? I should day my lane. Alright. I see you, eh? So when are you going to?
Oh, I think next month.
You think? So you're not even sure of the date?
I'm not sure.
Why are you not so, like you're always playing with
Hi.
your studies and everything? Why?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Anyway, sorry for wasting your time. Okay. I want to
okay.
talk to you.
Me?
Sure.
Alright. Okay. What is it? Can you excuse us?
No. I want him to stay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Who is he to you?
Oh, that's my younger brother.
Oh, that's your younger brother.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. I won't waste much of your time. Okay. If he's your brother, then please talk to him.
Is there any issue?
Yeah, sure. If he's your brother, please talk to him because I don't want any problem between him and I.
Why?
Okay. Let me conclude everything. The last time he had a fight with a certain lady, beautiful lady.
A lady?
Sure. I think he slapped the lady, he pushed the lady, and my friend and I tried to, stop him from the act. But he was trying to fight back, like he was trying to, quarrel with us, exchange words with us. I didn't say anything, but the next day, he saw me and gave me a warning.
What?
He gave me a strong warning.
Are you really talking about my brother?
Yes, of course. I know him and he knows me. He gave me a strong warning. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to do it because when I get angry, I'll beat him down.
Please. Look, I'll talk to him.
Kindly talk to your brother, okay? Because I don't want to have any issues with him.
Is it really true?
She's talking to you.
All of a sudden you've done... Oh my God.
Anyway.
Are you this stubborn?
Not that stubborn.
So why, explain to what he's saying. Just explain. You laid your hand on a lady. Why would you do that? Why? I'm talking to you. What was the reason?
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Apologize. Apologize! Can't you talk? Please. I'm sorry.
Oh no, I don't have any problem.
I'm
okay?
really sorry.
No. I just want you to talk to him. That's all. Me, I don't have any problem.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Anyway, my name is Pablo.
Oh, okay. I'm Veronica.
Veronica. All right. Nice to meet you, Vero.
Nice meeting you too.
All right.
Thank you very much.
See you next time. Thank you.
I really
Be a
appreciate
good boy. Okay. Hey.
So you raised your hands on a lady. Are you supposed to do that? Why would you even raise your hand on a lady? No matter the situation, you are not supposed to lay your finger on a lady. Let this be your first and last. I don't want to ever and ever hear anything like that. If not, I'll report you to daddy. Okay? Sweet.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. Concern the other time, what you were talking about. You meeting Dr. Kofiebu and he telling you like a whole lot of story. I met him recently and I asked. He was not even giving me a tangible answer. What he was saying wasn't making sense. Do you understand? I even tried calling you for you to listen to what he was saying at that time, but your line wasn't going through. So trust my words. I haven't seen him. He never came to me to say anything to me. So I don't know why he would come and exaggerate and start saying stuff about me to you, for you to just get angry. Anyway, I'm here to just say I'm sorry if you felt anyway, because I have no idea about this. I'm very sorry.
Okay. Don't worry.
Anyway, yeah. So, I'll be leaving. So
Oh, let me drop you.
drop me.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
I
okay.
hear. That's fine. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So are you going? I should drop you straight to the house. Or?
Na 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 na.
Yeah,
Na na
that's
K.
my queen.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem. Wow, always looking pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is my friend Gift.
Gifty. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Gift, this is my boyfriend, the one I've been talking about. Nana Kufu, yes. So babe, we sang.
We are trying.
I wanted to introduce Gifty to you so that you won't be offended when I tell you I'm going to visit or you see me walking out there.
No problem. Seeing Gifty right now, I can say she's a campus.
Oh yeah, Gifty is a very good friend.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. So, babe. My baby says you want to take us out. Are you okay with it?
Yeah, why not? I'm okay.
Really?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
That's nice.
I'll schedule the day and the date for you guys.
Okay.
You step out. Maybe be outside.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. What for you?
So then,
Thank you for the Give you. You're welcome.
hey, you, what did you do to my boyfriend that day? He accepted you so easy.
Maybe the things you to do me to make out of you. Got my heart and live for you. I promise on my honor to live by your side. I go come tell your mama, say you be my wife. Hey! And I can be your man, and you can be my girl. I can be your man. Do you know the part? No. That's sweet me. Yeah, I love the way you do your things, love the way you say my name. Especially when you're telling me you love me.
I love you.
You know, let me open up for you. Yeah. You love it?
Oh.
You love it? Woo! You know, I love you so much.
I love you more.
You are the girl of my dream. You've been the girl I've been waiting for my whole life. You know, I don't want you to cheat on me, okay? I don't want to see you with another man.
I'll never do that behind you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure? You sure? Oh my God! Let me taste your drink, eh? It's sweet to me.
Wow.
It feel good. You like the biscuit? Should I give you the biscuit? Okay. Alright.
I love you.
I bought this straight from UK.
Ooh.
Okay, last one. Love it. It's sweet. It's very expensive. Yeah. Very expensive. I love you too, baby. You know, I want to see your family. Yeah, I want to see your family, and then, you know, I want to let them know that I want to marry you. Woo! Of course. I want to marry you. But what I'm afraid of is, you know, I don't want to lose you.
You will lose me because I love you.
Are you sure?
I love you so. You're not losing me, okay? To be vigilant, too. That my friend, I don't trust her.
Yeah. Why? Is there a problem or what? If there's a problem, tell me.
Me, I can't tell you anything. What I have to tell you is my winning now. So you have to be.
We are family now. Just gist me anything.
No. Me, I can't tell you anything. But what I can tell you is me, I don't trust her because these days, what I've been seeing, I don't trust her. I think she's doing something behind. Then you have to be careful.
Doing something behind?
Yeah. That's just...
50. Tell me anything.
Yeah, it's okay. Me, I can't tell you anything. That's why I'm telling you that be vigilant.
Vigilant?
Yeah, steady here very well. Yeah.
You
have to steady here. Because I don't trust her anything. It's what she has been doing. I'm not seeing people.
Okay, I hear.
Okay.
I'll shine my eyes.
Okay.
I'll be vigilant.
Okay, for shine your eyes. Okay, then let me leave you then. Okay. Next time we meet. Okay, then. Bye. Take care, okay?
I'll take care.
Good afternoon, Nakofi. How are you doing? Well, okay. I guess you know me, and I'm here because of Portia. Okay. Of late, some things has been happening. Okay, she doesn't sleep, she doesn't eat. She has just been calling out your name. Please, I'm begging you. Follow. Nanako, please. Of late, Portia haven't been eating. She doesn't sleep. She doesn't talk to anyone. She has been calling out your name. Nana, please. I'm begging you. Follow me home. Just see her. Just you. Even if you won't follow me, just come see her. Okay? Just come see him. Just talk to her. I'm begging you.
Nana, it don't help me.
As in,
What I said, it don't help me.
how? How? Like how? How won't it help you? How? How won't it help you? How?
But then, I don't get it.
Gosh. Yo, what's up? You want somebody's daughter to die? What's wrong with you? I'm pleading. I'm begging you. I'm pleading. What do you want again? I'm pleading. Like I'm begging. Please. I'm tired. Come see her. She's your girlfriend or not? Why are you doing this? You know what? You can stay here for all I care. If she dies, she's just a friend. Excuse me.
Why are you stressing out? Stressing me?
What I've passed through, I don't want it to be repeated. That's why I don't. It's like I'm not giving my attention to you.
Baby, you have to give your attention to me. I will show you kindness. Don't worry. Are you forgetting you are the person who told me to leave your friend?
Okay, if you said so, me, I don't have any problem. But let me think. I'll think about it.
Actually, I'm going to think about it.
Yes, I'll think about it.
Thank you,
Okay. Then maybe by Friday.
Friday?
Yeah, you hear from me.
Okay, no problem. I got you.
Okay. Bye. Whom are you speaking with? Only one year, Kasa. Whom are you speaking with? Whom are you speaking with? Portia clothes you, Portia feeds you, Portia pay your bills, Portia do everything for you, and you are still speaking with a woman on phone. So when will you change? When will you change?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me, sir? When will you change? If you change, I will also change. Change!
Are you my mother? To tell him to change?
I can never give birth to somebody like you. Yes! Ungrateful being like you.
You say what? Say it again.
Ungrateful being. Why do you want to beat me? You want to beat me? Hello? You want to beat me?
It's fine. Don't touch me again. I don't like that.
Let me see. Wait. Give me your phone. Let me see the person you're speaking with. Give me your phone. Let me see the person you're speaking with.
Why should I give you my phone?
Give me your phone. Let me see the person you're speaking with. Let me see. It's not for me, but I'm fighting for Portia.
Look at you, fighting for somebody.
Yes!
Yeah, you are mad.
I'm not like you.
Wait, they don't follow me.
I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
You
Kill me. I'll follow you.
Hey.
Let me see the person you're speaking with. Also, I'll tell Portia. Let me see. Somebody who fits you. A man like you. A full grown ass man like you. You can't buy your own food to eat. You want a woman to feed you. Listen. Buy you clothes. Even this one, I escorted Portia to buy this for you. Do you know how much this thing is? Do you know how much this shirt is? Wait. I'll follow you.
You are mad.
I'm mad like you. I'll follow you. Wait.
Follow you.
Wait. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. You think I'll leave you? Let me see the person you're speaking with.
Oh, this girl, don't. What's wrong with this girl?
Let me see you.
Stop following me. I don't like that.
Hey. Nana Kofi, stop what you're doing. Let me see you.
I said don't follow me.
Nana Kofi, I'll follow you. Everywhere you go, I'll follow you. Let me see. Nana Kofi. Me, I'm mad. Full grown ass man like you.
You are mad.
You want a woman to feed you. Shame on you. Come and explain yourself. Come here. Sun is scorchy. The sun is scorchy, you know. I'll skin, yeah. I gave the money to Portia. You gave the money to Portia? Yeah. When did you give it to her? That was yesterday. Yesterday? Yeah. What time? Because I was with her the whole of yesterday. I think I left there in the evening. What time I gave it to her in the evening time. Was it around 5 to 6 thereabouts? Oh, okay. Yeah. Maybe she might have forgotten. I'll go there. Okay. And I leave you, I'll go to her place and okay. Check up on her and see. Okay. I think it's a full amount. If you know you didn't give her the full amount, like you get me angry. I give her everything. You get me angry. I give her everything. Oh, like I'm tired. Hey. This area, it's not easy. Hey! Then, when you go, she give the money to you, okay? Okay. Anyway, I'll call you when I get home. Okay. Then you tell her that I said I'll come and check on her. Okay, alright. Then, bye. Alright. Okay. You'll be soon here. We came here for I think we've been here for Anna now, right? Do you know Anna? 10 minutes. Yeah. You'll be here soon. Okay. Please, you can't keep me waiting like that. Please. Boyfriend.
Baby. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. It's too small. What's too small? Eh? Boss, there's something wrong with you. Why would you have to say this? Huh? You are sorry. Sorry for your own self.
It's okay.
Hey, let me have it. I think you don't need it anymore.
Babe,
What's babe? Let me have it.
I said I will manage it.
You manage what? You don't need it. Let me have it.
Babe!
What's babe? Something wrong with your head. Give it to me! Why they look me like that? Eh? Friend, do your deal, make her do my deal.
Bosu, respect yourself.
Respect yourself.
Respect yourself.
Babe. Nana. Nana.
Did you hear? Nana kill you. Nana kill you. Did you hear him?
Did I say something wrong?
Yeah. Are you asking me? Go ask your so-called boyfriend. Somebody is madly in love with you. The person is dying to do anything you ask him, he's going to do it for you. You are here. Nana, there's anything. Come on. Listen.
I want to go and...
You want to? Be Jijawon. How do you want to?
I don't want to lose him.
You don't want... Hey.
Hey.
Are you okay?
So he left me.
No, he's standing there. Nonsense.
Lazy.
Mama.
Wow. Hope you are good.
I'm fine.
Always looking amazing.
I'm good.
Gifty.
Mama.
It's about the issue again. Gifty. For the first time I set my eyes on you. Gifty.
Yes.
The first time I set my eyes on you, I can say you are the best woman who deserves my heart.
Thank you.
Beauty. I want to tell you, my name is I. The problem is you. Okay. And my solution is love. I love you.
I love you too.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure you love me?
I love you.
Thank you. Let's build a legacy together.
Okay.
You and I together. So we build together.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, that's so nice of you.
Then let's go.
Okay. Are we going to your house?
Yes. Okay.
I'll call you when I'm done.
Okay, the next thing. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright.
Bye.
Call. Yeah, hello babe. Yeah, babe, where are you? I'm at, do I even know here? That street, Ebenezer Street or what? Yeah. Hope you are in the house. Oh, come on. Oh, I was coming to you, that's why. Please, you meet me there. Yeah, I beg, please. Okay. Love you. Okay, I'll be waiting. Okay, bye.
Hey.
Oh, you keep moving.
What are you doing here?
I was coming to you. Today I was not having anything on me, so I didn't chat up for both.
Really?
Yeah.
But this is not my street.
Because I didn't chat about that's why I didn't pass you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I've heard you. Anyway, I was buying something
Okay.
here, yeah, but I didn't get some.
Okay.
Yeah, so can we go home?
Okay.
All right.
Bye. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Trust you good, right? Don't worry, you're fine, I know. By the way, I heard you're dating Gifty. How true is that?
What's your problem in this?
No. Why must you date two friends? What is wrong with you? What do you want? Like, in fact, what do you want? You are maltreating one and then you're treating one good. What is wrong with you? What do you want?
Auntie, what are you?
What do you want? Tell me. What do you want?
Auntie,
How can you date two friends? Is that you know what? If you don't stop, is that you date one and leave one.
so is it a warning or a threat?
It's a warning, it's a threat. You can take it anyhow you want it.
So are you tracking me or you're chasing me here and there?
You know what? If I want to chase you, I know where you stay, I know where you live. In fact, I know that in Kukobo you stay in, I can come there. You know what? It's just a coincidence that I met you.
So what should we do?
If you don't stop it, what you are doing, I swear, you won't take it lightly with me. You will get what you deserve.
I'll get what?
You deserve. Are you listening?
I'm serious.
Get back. And you don't respect, oh. It's not your fault. Gifty made so cheap. Gifty. Oh no, what about for?
Oh, come on. Hey. My friend, I'm calling you. I'm walking away. What's up? What did you do the last time when I was working with my sister?
Oh, so are you here to threaten me or you are here to fight with me?
You're asking me a question.
Oh, of course. Are you here to fight with
Are
me?
you mad?
Are you insulting me?
Yes, please.
Yo,
Friend, steady. Don't mess up with me.
Do you know who you messing with?
Who are you?
Hey,
Who are you?
yo.
Hey, what you going to do to me? Hey, the man.
What's the problem, man? Yo, what's the
Really?
problem? Yo, chill, man. Yo, chill. You need to chill. What the problem is? What's the problem? Yo, what's the problem? Yo, what's the problem, man? What's the problem? Yo, chill.
You know what?
Chill, man.
For me, what?
Man, what's the problem?
Nothing much, guy. He just snatched my sister's phone.
And you didn't tell me. Why did you allow him to go?
You allow him to go.
No, I thought you guys are friends, so I'm just trying to separate you guys. I didn't want any trouble to happen. So you should have told me earlier, so that I can chase him and deal with him.
Then let's chase him.
Are you sure? Okay, let's see. This guy.
Hi, hello. Sorry. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Please, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, sorry for bothering you. Please, are you Pablo?
Sure, I'm Pablo.
Oh, okay. Sorry for bothering you. Please, you know Gifty?
Yeah, I know Gifty. Why are you asking me that?
Please, who is she to you? Sorry. Please, who is she to you?
I don't know you. Why are you asking me such questions?
I'm a friend of Gifty, okay? We are 3 ladies, okay? Gifty, Portia, and I. Okay. I'm Lizzie. Yes.
Fine. Gifty is my girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Gifty is your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Meaning you guys are still dating?
Yeah, we're still dating. She's my girlfriend.
Oh. Sorry, oh. You know what? Gifty is dating Portia's boyfriend, okay? Gifty is seeing Portia's boyfriend, and then we are friends. Okay, I heard about Gifty talking with somebody on phone, calling the name Pablo. So I asked her, and then she said Pablo is her boyfriend. So I was doubting. I wanted to find out if you guys are still dating or you are not. Sorry, don't worry. Don't let it bother you, okay? Please. I just want to know.
No. Wait. Are you trying to say that Gifty is seeing another man?
That's it.
Oh no, I don't believe that. Okay.
Oh, okay. You don't believe it.
No,
okay,
no.
You know what? Gifty is a friend of mine, eh? We are ladies, like 3. Gifty, Portia, Lizzie. The Lizzie is me, standing in front of you.
It doesn't matter. Okay, you being friends with Gifty doesn't matter. Okay, maybe no. Maybe you lying. Maybe you want to say something to.
No.
You know, I don't believe.
I can't lie. No, I can't lie when somebody said like that.
You know what?
I don't lie.
Gifty loves me so much, and I love her. Okay.
You are doubting.
I said, I don't believe that.
Gifty loves you.
It's okay. It's okay. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. I don't believe Gifty will cheat on me. Okay.
You know.
Thank you.
No, Bossu, listen. Bossu, wait. Bossu. Listen, Bossu. Wait. The thing is, I know you love Gifty, right? I know you love Gifty, but Gifty is cheating. Like she's seeing Portia's boyfriend, and we are friends. That is what I want to talk. You know.
See, you are stressing yourself.
All
right. You are stressing yourself. I said Gifty will never cheat on me. I love her, and she loves me too. So please, can you stop following me?
But wait, Pablo. Can
you stop following me? What's wrong with you? Huh? Are you mad? Fine, if Gifty is cheating on me, it's none of your business, okay?
Sorry.
Don't follow me again, else I'll slap you.
Hey.
Nonsense.
Sorry. But it's that fine. don't listen to me, oh. Hey, this guy is not like Nana Kofi. Nana Kofi, I would have followed him to where he's Pablo. Hi. I'm sorry.
Why do you always keep me waiting?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? You keep doing it and you're telling me you're sorry.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry. What's up?
Just you.
Why?
Listen to me. I'm not in a good mood.
Why?
I'm come to ask you something.
What's that?
And I need a truthful answer.
Okay.
I don't want you to lie to me.
Okay. You can ask me.
Okay.
Why? What's happening?
Listening. Let me talk.
Okay.
I've heard some rumors about you.
That would.
By you being my girlfriend, I don't want to pay attention to that. But I want to confirm. I want to know if what I heard is true.
Okay.
I've heard that you've been walking around with some slim guy. I don't know. You've been walking. Don't laugh. I'm serious, please. Please, I'm serious.
Me.
I've heard that you've been walking around with some slim guy around this vicinity. I don't want to believe if what I heard is true.
I said it's never true. Who told you?
The one who told me is none of your business.
Then the person is lying.
Gifty.
I said it's not true. Why? Why don't you?
Gifty, listen to me.
Why don't you want to believe
Listen to me. You know what I can do. You know what I'm capable of. If I find out that what I've been hearing is true, I swear, you will never like me. So just tell me the truth now.
Listen to me. I'm telling you the truth. It's not true. Who told you? You tell me. Who told you?
I said the one who told me it's none of your business, okay?
Then you calm down. It's okay. It's not true. And you know I can't do that. Why will I do that?
I don't know anything.
It's okay. It's not true.
It's okay.
Let's go.
Let's go where?
Let's go.
Let's go where?
Home.
Let's go home. Your place or my place?
My place.
Your place. No, I'm not going to your place.
Why?
Because of your family.
No.
No.
They will not do anything. Let's go.
They don't like me, okay? I don't want I don't want any problem with your parents, neither your siblings. Please.
I said no one is in the house.
If you want to see me or if you want to have something to do with me, then let's go to my house.
Then let's go.
Now, I swear if I find out.
Oh, why don't you want to trust me? Me again.
What do you want?
Have you changed or you are still you?
What stupid question are you asking me?
Have you changed or you are still you? I know you can't change. Men
So
like
you know I can't change.
ungrateful beings like you. I know you can't change. You will never change. Meaning, once it's not that, you. Taking money from ladies is what you know. Taking money from ladies is what you know how to do. Letting ladies buy you clothes, shirts, trousers, boxes is what you know. This one I escorted her. Let me show you. Nana Kofi. Nana Kofi. Nana Kofi.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
You, I know you will never change, so it's fine. It's fine. Let's go. Why are you taking me to?
To your house.
Is this where I stay?
I'm sorry, man.
Change. Let's go. So when will you stop this thing? Stop talking, sir. I'm telling you. No. When will you stop this lady's thing? It's not fine, no. Wish. You.
My friend.
So you don't have sympathy for somebody who has.
You are in pain.
You made me fall down. You are.
I'm sorry. Listen. Okay, you can't stop talking.
Yeah, I cannot stop talking until you change you. I cannot. I can't walk.
So what do you want me to do?
Carry me.
How can I carry this big boy that look like an elephant?
Like serious, are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you. Look at your boy like elephant. How can I carry you?
My body like elephant.
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you. I blame Portia for taking somebody like you as a boyfriend. Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, you kept me waiting. Why?
Sorry. I was busy doing something.
By the way, you look so sweet.
Thank you.
Wow,
All for you. I miss you.
Yeah, I miss you, man. So what's up?
Not much. What time are we going?
I just want us to go and have some lunch.
Okay, so what time?
Now, of course. What do you think?
I don't want to go outside.
Why?
I want to go do something in town.
So are you rejecting what I'm saying, your words?
No, baby. Okay, fine. Anything for you. Anything for you, baby.
Good evening.
Yes. What's up?
Please, who is she to you?
She's my girlfriend.
Hi.
Why? Is there any problem?
Off any problem?
My friend? What's he say?
Oh, no problem.
No, I heard you saying something.
She's your girlfriend?
Yeah, she's my girlfriend. I love her so much. Why?
This your girlfriend has been ranting over the food like a cow. She keeps talking like a communication minister in this Ghana. Hey!
My friend, repeat it again. You say what?
She's a talkative.
Talkative?
Yes.
I mean, I don't get it.
She keeps interfering in people's affairs in this hood. She keeps ranting in the hood like a cow and its owner. I don't know what's wrong with this girl.
Okay, now I see.
You see?
So,
hey, Auntie.
Are you why?
What do you know why?
Why?
What's why?
What's the meaning of what you're doing?
What am I doing? I'm just saying your problem to your girlfriend. What you've been doing.
Haven't I been telling the truth?
Truth about what?
Truth about what you are doing.
Hey. So what are you saying? Say it
By
again.
you, what's wrong? What's wrong with you?
What do you
Am
mean?
I lying?
I'm not.
Whatever I'm saying, am I lying? Babe, put it for me. Babe, put it. Haven't I been telling you the truth?
I said it.
You've been cheating on your girlfriend. Somebody who has been buying you food. Somebody who has been feeding you morning, evening. He buys you food.
I want to bite you.
Me, I want to bite you.
You don't even
Me, I
feel
want to
shy.
bite you.
Your boyfriend is
Me, I want
here.
to bite you. Me.
Your boyfriend
If
is
you
here.
don't stop, if you don't stop what you are doing.
Okay, you see your wife?
Oh, please.
You see this your girlfriend?
So.
What do you mean, so?
So you are cheating on somebody. I'm talking to you.
You see her life?
You this boy. You.
What have I done?
You.
What's me?
Okay.
You will see. I will show you.
That's what you want, right? And you two, you will see in this wood. Me and you. Me and you. Me and you in this wood.
You will be definition of a fool.
You. Me and you.
Oh!
You.
I'll spoil your day.
You spoil my day.
Yes.
You will spoil my day.
Yes.
Somebody who a lady has been feeding you. You call yourself a man.
Uh-huh.
You call yourself a man. You're nobody like a pig. You.
I'm what? Ah! He said I'm what? Sheep goat!
You!
What's you?
You!
Yeah, me. Sheep goat!
In fact, I don't know what to tell you now. And I don't have your time now.
You see, you're stressed off.
I don't have your time now. You know what I'll do to you?
You're into stress.
You know what I'll do to you in this
You
town?
don't know what
You know what I'll do to you in this hood? Me and you.
What you
This
gonna
hood
do?
can't carry us.
What you gonna do? Eh? Wow. Lucia,
Yeah.
thanks for coming in.
Anyway, that's okay.
You look changed. Is there a problem?
No. I just. There's nothing. There's nothing to.
Because I have some important thing to tell you.
Like, what's important that you have to tell me?
I want to say genuinely I like you. And then I think I should channel my time and energy for you. Can we be besties?
Are you serious? You want me to be your bestie?
Yeah, sure.
Like, are you for real?
Yes, I'm damn serious.
I don't want any problems. I don't want issues. Last time I saw you with your... Was it your sister or
That's my
whatever?
sister. Yeah.
That's what you claim.
No, that's my
Like,
sister.
and you're already my boyfriend's friend, so... I don't know if it's going to be cool.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Just besties.
I hope it won't put me into any trouble.
No.
Are you sure?
No, I'm sure.
Anyway, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The pleasure is mine. So, okay. That's it.
Anyway. We'll see you.
See you. Come, let's go. Portia! Come, let's go. Portia!
Hello? 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 Please, I want to talk to you. Hey. Baby, I'm finished. Hey. What should I do?
Jojo.
Hi, George.
Hey, Posh. Everything nice?
George. Why? You didn't see me or what?
You said what?
Why? You didn't see me or what?
I saw you, Posh. I thought you were around to like, you were in a hurry, so like, I don't want to waste your time.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good.
Alright. So like then I'll take my leave. Alright, so Posh, you will surely meet again, okay? Jojo.
George. It's me, Portia.
Yeah, I know it's you, babe. Are you okay?
I can see you're busy. But
Yeah.
can I have your ticket so I can test or call you later?
Are you funny?
George.
Sorry, I'm not having a phone. I'm not having fun, Are you done? Can I take my leave?
You're not having fun.
Yeah, I'm not having a phone and I'm in a hurry to please. Okay, you heard like something blinking, like, right? Something blinking on my phone. So let me give you my contact. Sorry, like, I was lying. 0546
556
29 69 19. Alright, okay. So I'll take my leave. Okay, Posh. Bye bye.
Okay, George, have a nice day.
Say to you, baby.
Why is this guy giving me attitude?
Portia. Portia, are you okay? What is wrong? Huh? Portia, talk to me.
I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. You are crying and you're telling me you are fine. Debbie, you're not fine, baby.
I'm fine.
Portia, talk to me. What is the problem? Huh? Posh, I'm talking to you. What is it? Huh? Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What is wrong? What is it? Talk to me. Or you can't talk outside. Huh? What is it? Talk to me now, Portia. Who they disturb you? Like who they worry? You just tell me. What is it? Tell me. Are you okay? Huh? Posh. Okay, fine.
It's a personal issue.
What? Personal issue. But then personal issue outside here sharing tears is not nice.
No, I wasn't crying.
You come on. So are you not telling me, Portia, am I crutch or what? Am I kindergarten or what? Now, right now, Portia, you're trying to tell me something a kid though. I don't know the difference between tears and smiling. You are here crying, telling me you are not crying. You are fine. Huh? You know something? Here is outside, okay? And it's not nice to be sharing tears outside. You are a big girl. You feel me? So let me escort you to the house, okay? Let me escort you to the house, we can talk over there, okay? Are you okay now? I'm talking to you. Okay, calm down. Okay. Let's go. I was coming to visit a friend, but I think I'll do that later. Okay. So let's go. Take the lead. Sorry. Take it easy. Okay. Beautiful. What's chewing you? Tell me, you're not okay. Posh. I know there is a problem. Okay, feel free. Posh.
I said it's for you.
Oh, God. Beautiful girl like you shouldn't be crying outside, you understand? And then I get hurt, to see you cry. You feel me? Because the love that I have for you is something different. Something extraordinary. So, like, I don't want to...
Are you going to escort me?
Sorry, I'm escorting. Sorry. I'm not talking again, please. Sorry.
Hi.
Hey.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good and
I'm fine.
I'm good.
The sun is really hot.
Yeah.
Okay. You said you have something to tell me, so what's the problem?
It's not any big deal. Guy been there past some more tata, so I have to let you know. And I love you. I don't want to do anything behind you.
Guy be the pass more tata.
Yeah.
And who's that?
He said his name is George. Yeah.
George?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, and what have you done about it?
Me, I told him I'm dating, but he's still worrying me, so I have to tell you.
Alright, it's not a problem, okay?
Okay.
Anyway, thanks for telling me. Thanks for letting me know.
Okay.
I'll know what to do, okay? But it's your own decision. Alright? No one can question you if you still want to move with him.
No. And I've decided you already, so why will I go for him again?
Okay? If you love me, I love you too. Okay? I don't want to have any issues with you, and I don't want you to be walking around with any man. Alright? So, as I said, it's your own decision. If you feel or if you wish to walk with a guy, that's your own problem. And no one can question you about that. Alright?
It's you that I love.
Okay, I got you. Okay. So is that the reason why you called me on phone and baby, I want to talk to you, I want to talk to you?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Alright. When I see you, I'll talk to you. Alright. Okay, let me. Alright. I have to go.
Then let me.
No, don't worry. I'm going to do something very, very quick, okay? I'll see you.
Okay, bye.
Alright.
Lucia. Thanks for coming in.
I hope you're cool.
Yes, I'm good. You too?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, what's up? You said...
yeah, we are waiting for my friend.
Your friend?
Yeah, he will soon be here.
Why is it that your bestie?
Yeah, that's my best friend.
Wow. Anyway, that's cool. I hope it won't take that long.
No.
Okay, sure.
Oh, guy.
Yeah, I like your hairstyle.
Oh, thank you.
It's nice.
There he comes. My guy.
Yo,
Don't go check.
I'm boy Nana. Yo, what's up, bro?
Everything good.
Yeah. So what's happening?
It's about what I told you the other time.
Oh, I see.
That's my bestie, my friend. See ya.
Yeah.
Meet my friend. Stibu.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
What's the problem? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Stibu, you don't look happy for me, eh?
Oh, I'm okay, bro.
Sure.
I'm okay. That's me, I'm okay, yeah.
bro.
I'm okay.
Babe. You cool?
Yeah, I'm fine. Actually, you see, I have to rush.
What's the rush?
I have to go and fix something at home. So I just have to do.
So what about the food? Should I bring it or you come pick it?
What we'll do is, okay, you bring it home.
Should bring it home?
Yeah.
Baby, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. We'll talk later. Yeah.
My guy.
Yo,
what do you want with this girl?
I don't know.
It's a see you she rush.
I don't know, when I was being great here, she don't like, she doesn't want to have to change. You know, I don't know what's wrong.
She's fine.
She's okay, she's cool, she's fine.
Oh, wow. That's my friend. I really like her.
You like her? Wow.
That's my friends.
Oh.
Boo, tell it there.
I see, then she's okay.
Yeah, make you go. At least you have nothing
I shock self, you know. I'm greeting her, you don't want to.
I don't want to greet you.
Have you seen her for not so long, or maybe you just met her?
I think 2 weeks. 2 weeks now.
So you really like her?
Oh, we are just besties.
Okay.
Just besties.
Hello. Oh my God.
Boss. Gifty, I'm talking to you.
Who is Gifty?
Gifty, you don't know me.
Who are you?
Gifty, what do you mean? Who am I?
I don't know you. Who are you?
Gifty, you've made me.
Who is that?
No, wait. What's going on here?
She's my girlfriend.
She's your what?
My girlfriend.
You said, I'm your girlfriend. I'm your girlfriend.
Hey, please. Listen. What is going on here? Hey, do you know him?
I don't know him.
So, gentleman, why are you saying she's your girlfriend?
Do you know me?
Listen. I'm warning you today. I don't want to see you close or near my girlfriend again. Do you understand? Do you know how long I've been with her? Shut the fuck up! I'm talking and you're talking. How dare you? I said I don't want to see you close near my girlfriend again. Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand? Now get the fuck up! My friend, go!
Let's go.
Nonsense. Hey, wait. Hey.
I don't know
listen.
him. I don't know him.
Are you sure?
Let's forget about him. I don't know him.
If I find out, listen to me. If I find out that there's something going on between him and you, I swear, you know me.
Okay, I've heard you. Let's go.
Alright.
How are the love you now? So me a big gangster. Way if I saw the love you are making no venture, baby. You see that Kim Palita recently, it's only way you release, you know. Now pick your track, you know. I swear the thing is sweet me. He said, I pick it, I did I pick it. Hey, shake it, mommy. Hey.
And you know something.
Oh, sure, it was beautiful. Yes.
Thank you. I'm very sorry. I was behaving like that. That attitude was coming from my boyfriend. You know, I really loved him and I was into him, so I didn't want anybody to come between us.
Okay.
That's the reason why I was behaving like that.
You know something like it's not a big deal, and I mean love it that way. You know, it's like may I believe say that attitude they give me, same attitude is going to give others for outside because as you say, if you the lover, you be loyal woman.
Me.
When you joke with your
I tell you that I love you. It's from here.
seriously,
Not from here.
seriously.
Now the way I do love you now. I don't go fit to like the way. I told you I didn't have to.
Make her sing this one. Give you. Listen. She don't want designer.
Hey.
She don't want Ferrari. She say now my love, you belong to me and I belong to her. Hey, baby, you don't kill somebody. Hey, they say love is blind, but I can see you for your eyes. For your eyes, you're beautiful. I bless the very day that I met you, baby. I can't make it without you. I can't do it without you. I love you.